Hey guys, Technomentary here today to do a quick unboxing and review of an iPhone 7 that I bought on Amazon for really cheap. This phone was under $150, which is really cheap for iPhone 7 in 2020. So we'll go ahead and kind of unbox it, show you guys what kind of iPhones you guys can get on Amazon. If you guys are looking to buy cheap iPhones on Amazon, check out the link down below in the description. It's discounted phones that you can find on Amazon. Before we get started, I like to kind of make an announcement that we are giving away this phone to one lucky subscriber. To enter the giveaway, simply like, subscribe, and then comment the device that you currently have, and we will choose a winner when this video hits 100,000 views. So make sure to enter the giveaway. So let's go ahead and kind of open the box up. So it came in this generic box. So I ordered a couple days ago, so you get your typical Amazon box. They're usually a cardboard box with Amazon taped. So go ahead and kind of open it up for you guys. Show what kind of device you can get on Amazon. So here, as you can see, it came in this box inside, just a generic box, nothing new. We're gonna go ahead and take this tape off so you can open the box. Okay, so there goes that. So let's see what we have here. So this is the box it came in, not the original box, because it is a pre-owned device. And here we have the black version of the iPhone 7 here. For a first look of it, let's see what else we have in this box. So there's a generic charger included as well with it. So we'll put that aside so we can review the phone. First thing, let's start at the back. The cosmetic condition, as you can see on the back, looks pretty clean here. No damages or scratches. Let's take a look on the side. See if there's any blemishes there. As you can see, there is absolutely no issue on the side as well. And finally, the front of the screen. I don't know if you guys can see, but I don't see any scratch or anything on it as well for a used device, which is pretty good for that. So let's go ahead and power it on. So go ahead and power on the device. Sometimes you might have to just put the a power source to it, because it might not have charged because it's been in at Amazon warehouse or something for a while. But here, finally turned on. We'll go ahead and show you guys kind of setting it up quickly to see if we can get to the home screen. So right now we're gonna choose our country, log into our demo Wi-Fi here. So you do need internet, I believe, to set up the phone. So make sure you select through your Wi-Fi, or if you have iTunes, you can set it up through iTunes as well. Check out my other videos and show you guys how to quickly set up any iOS device or any iPhones that you have. So let's see. So this phone, if it was iCloud lock, it would have someone's account on it, but because none of that stuff is there, it's good to go. So we can set it up the way that we want it. Other thing about buying a used phone from Amazon is that they guarantee, I think, a 90-day return policy. If you have any issues with it, you can return it. All of the phones that I bought on Amazon, usually they are backed up by 100% guaranteed that they're fully functional, so you won't have any issues if you're buying from them. Unlike other phones, if you're buying from someone on like an app or like Craigslist. So as you can see, we're gonna go through all of this. So, and we are at the home screen. So as you can see, this phone, we got to the home screen matter of minute or so. There is no iCloud, like I mentioned. So we'll go ahead and adjust out some of the buttons. The volume button is fine. The silent and the ringer button is fine as well. So the lock screen, the power button is fine. And let's take a look at the camera. Camera looks good as well, you can see. And another thing I like to check usually on the phones are battery condition. People have been asking, as you can see, this one is at 100%, which is almost like a new phone, right? So usually there will be a little less than that, but you know, for some reason this one has 100%, so it hasn't been barely used, even for the condition. As you can see, I would almost give it almost a 10 out of 10 for a used phone. Like, it almost seems like, although I bought it used, it's like a new phone almost. So hopefully this video helped. If you guys are looking to buy a used, you know, iPhone 7 or any iPhone that you guys are looking to purchase, make sure you check out the link to the discounted iPhones on Amazon. And hopefully this video helped. If this video helped me, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys.